Last time we did the integration, elementary integration, and a question was left that cos 5x plus cos 3x divided by 1 minus 2 cos 3x. You people have already done it actually. I was doing that question on window. Extra sheet is being made, and if you have any doubt in the end you can ask from extra sheet. ये end में दे देना है extra sheet. नहीं सारे सेंटेंस पे नहीं इधर ही. Right. So we are proceeding for integration. Most of the integral part we have done, which is useful in finding the functions in the same chapter. But one particular part is left, that is integration of f dash x by fx. It is very much obvious you have done it. Integration of f dash x by fx. Take fx as t, then f dash x dx becomes dt. dt by t is ln t. So the integral of this becomes ln fx plus c. This is one part which was left, and one more part, that is product formula. I will expect you people to prove it at home. That the proof of this formula is very easy. I will give you a hint also. Integration of u into v is equal to first function as it is. I am treating u as the first function here. Integration of v dx minus integration derivative of first function, that is u dash, and whatever you are getting here, put it back p dx and the complete integral. I mean, first function is the function which we are differentiating here as it is here, and second function v we are integrating here, and whatever we are getting we will put here, and then again we have to integrate it. The proof of this result is depending on this d upon dx of fx into gx is equal to right hand side. Integrate both the sides and put u and v smartly. You get the proof. We will prove it at the time when we will be doing integral calculus. उसमें बड़ा थोड़ा सा इसको करेंगे. अभी लेकिन यहाँ इस पे एक या दो एग्जाम्पल is needed. एक्चुअली इसमें किस फंक्शन को डिफरेंशिएट करना है ये हम डिसाइड करते हैं ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ आइलेट. इस वर्ड में जो अल्फाबेट पहले आ रहा है उसको फर्स्ट फंक्शन लेना है, उसको u लेना है, वो डिफरेंशिएशन वाला फंक्शन लेना है. I stands for inverse trigonometric function. Rest of the letters are very easy. I mean you can verify it with me. What is for L? Logarithmic function. A stands for algebraic function. T for very good trigonometric function, and E stands for exponential function. Like for example, if you are integrating x into sin x, I'll take it as an example. Then I have trigonometric function and algebraic function. Then first function will be taken as algebraic function. Differentiation वाला function लेना पड़ेगा. I will take u as x. So I will use the formula here. That is u means x as it is. Integral of sin x is minus cos x minus integration differentiation of x, that is 1, into integration. यहाँ जो भी part आया उसको as it is यहाँ रख देना है, that is minus cos x. This minus over with this, and we can integrate cos x, that is equal to sin x. So the answer is minus x cos x plus sin x. Sometimes when integrating such functions whose integral is not, we are not aware, and another function is not here, like integrating ln x. Now we do not know the integral of ln x. In such cases multiply the function by 1. L stands for logarithmic function, 1 stands for algebraic function. Obviously, if you look at a and l, you have to take l as the first function, means this will be u. ln x as it is. Integration of 1 is x minus integral. Derivative of ln x is 1 by x into x dx. This x is over. Only one left here. 1 ka integral is x. So the answer is x ln x. I am writing this as x ln x minus x plus c. This we call integration using by parts. By parts means using product formula. Try to solve this question. Integration x square e to the power x. Here you have to integrate it twice. X square e to the power x. You must be thinking why we are doing integral in the middle of the differentiation actually. This will be needed today. I mean, whatever we have done, the part of that will be used in differentiability. Otherwise, around about 25 to 30 problem आपको differentiability में छोड़ने ही पड़ेंगे. Integrate x square e to the power x. Just verify your answer. Just verify the answer. There is no big technique or fundamental related to this particular question. So I will not take your answers. I will ask you to verify. X square as it is, integral of e to the power x is e to the power x minus integral. Derivative of x square is 2x e to the power x dx. X square e to the power x minus 2 out x e to the power x. Once again you have to integrate it, you get x square e to the power x minus 2 x as it is, e to the power x minus integral. Differentiation of x is 1 e to the power x dx. Question over. X square e to the power x minus twice x e to the power x minus 2 becomes plus 2 here, and integral of e to the power x is e to the power x plus c. Right. Now we will come back to our main topic, differentiability, and we will utilize the last half an hour. Wait, please wait. We will utilize the last half an hour lecture of integration and the today's lecture in the problems. Another branch, now you can ask your problem.
So is there any reason why we follow that priority order I, L, A, T?
No, there is no reason. You can integrate vice versa also. You will not be able to integrate in that case.
Why, sir?
Because
you mean that
actually, no, I'll tell you one thing. Actually, the integration part is implying that when you are getting the second step, it should recurringly be over. If you will integrate x, you will get x square. If you will integrate x square, you will get x cube. So the question, you are not solving the question, you are making new questions. Are you getting my point? So smartly you have to identify which functions to be taken as the first function. Or simultaneously, one more thing I will tell you. First of all, I will explain what question he is asking. He is asking isolate क्यों use कर रहे हो? तो isolate सिर्फ मैं बोल सकता हूँ कि level से नीचे या level वाले problems, मतलब अच्छे problems के लिए isolate भी use नहीं होएगा. Try to understand, if I write this question, which you are not going to solve right now, you cannot in fact, integration of ln x भी क्यों लिखूँगा? ये लिखूँगा ना, ln 1 plus x square into tan inverse x. Neither I know the integration of ln 1 plus x square, nor I know the integration of tan inverse x. अभी तक तो नहीं किया है. Last lecture में जो पढ़ाया है, plus अभी आज जो हम लोगों ने किया है, उससे हम लोग दोनों का इंटीग्रेशन ही पता नहीं है. और मेरे को दोनों में से एक फंक्शन को तो इंटीग्रेट करना ही है. अभी आइलेट कैसे यूटिलाइज हो जाएगा? इधर नहीं होएगा ना. अच्छे प्रॉब्लम्स में आइलेट हमें यूटिलाइज नहीं करना होता है, स्मार्टली प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करना होता है. दैट मीन्स आइलेट इज बीन यूटिलाइज फॉर मतलब इजी प्रॉब्लम्स में, और वो जल्दी चमकता भी है. सो डोंट पुट अ क्वेश्चन मार्क ऑन दिस. बोर्ड के सारे प्रॉब्लम्स आइलेट से ही सॉल्व होते हैं एक्चुअली, राइट? सो कमिंग बैक, differentiability, last content was
sir.
Yes, please.
Sir, I confirm the questions answers that you gave last time.
Which question? अच्छा cos 2x वाला. Yeah. किसी ने तो मुझे इसका सॉल्यूशन भेजा एक्चुअली, कोई एक ब्रांच है
सर
जिसमें
-1/4 सर -1/4 sin 2x minus half sin x
रॉन्ग है. That is sin -sin2x/2 minus sin x is the answer. तो उसका आंसर अच्छा उसमें नहीं दिया, शीट में नहीं दिया. -sin2x minus sin x is the answer. Okay.
सर ये x² e⁻x वाला एक बार फिर से समझा सकते हैं?
Which branch?
पुणे ब्रांच.
x² e⁻x का इंटीग्रल. फर्स्ट फंक्शन कौन होएगा इसमें? एल्जेब्रिक फंक्शन.
x² yes.
Right. x² as it is. Integral of e⁻x is e⁻x minus integral. Differentiation of x². What? 2x
2x.
into e⁻x dx. That's it. Now you have got a new question. Carry out 2.
हाँ ओके, तो इसे वापस करना पड़ेगा ना?
हाँ इसको वापस करना पड़ेगा.
हाँ ओके ओके. हाँ ओके सर.
Look, the definition we had given for differentiability is f of a plus h. In fact, I must write f of x plus h minus f of x divided by h. Limit h tending to 0. This we write f dash x, isn't it? If we want to give the definition for f dash a, we write f of a plus h. F of a plus h minus f of a divided by h, isn't it? So for x is equal to a, I will write f dash a as f of a plus h minus f of a divided by h. Actually, I want to redefine it in a better manner. What we are looking for, we are looking for the for a function which is just right on a. A plus h means a का right ढूंढ रहे, right? Minus f of a here. इसको मैं a plus 0 लिखता हूँ कुछ, right? Divided by h minus 0. ऐसा कुछ ही तो कर रहे हैं. इसको मैं एक तरह से रीडिफाइन कर रहा हूँ. मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि यार एक ग्राफ में मैंने ये कुछ यहाँ पे ये p of h लिया और इधर में कुछ q of h लिया है. नंबर लाइन पे मैंने h नहीं लिया है, p of h और q of h लिया है, राइट? मतलब जो हाइट लिया है, सॉरी ये वाली हाइट्स, ओके. और कोई एक मैंने यहाँ पे वैल्यू ले लिया a. And now I'm defining something f dash a is equal to, in fact इसका जरूरत भी नहीं है, you will immediately understand this. F dash a can be written as f of a plus p of h minus f of a plus q of h divided by p of h minus q of h. Here p of h tends to 0, q of h tends to 0 and p of h approaching towards q of h. Obviously, if these three things are simultaneously happening, then this will be f dash a. There's no doubt about it. क्योंकि हम लोग एक्चुअली p of h और q of h इसी तरह के फंक्शन ले रहे हैं कि a का राइट में लिया, a का लेफ्ट में लिया, राइट, एंड डिफरेंस डिनोमिनेटर में हम लोग दे रहे हैं. सो whenever you are redefining f dash a, डिफरेंशिएशन से भी वैसे इसको आराम से देखा जा सकता है, लेकिन आप लोग को यहाँ पे ध्यान क्या रखना है, लिमिट h tending to a. Don't forget, this is true for h tending to a. I am not interested in h tending to 0. मुझे तो इस लिमिट पे ये दोनों फंक्शन अप्रोचिंग टुवर्ड 0 चाहिए और ये अप्रोच मतलब ph माइनस qh का डिफरेंस जो है ये टेंडिंग टुवर्ड 0 चाहिए, तो ये f dash a ही देगा, राइट? एक्चुअली इसकी जरूरत किधर पड़ रही है, ध्यान दे दो. वो क्वेश्चन में क्या करेगा, तुम लोग को बोलेगा कि सॉल्व एक काम करो, पहले लिखो ऑल्टरनेटिव डेफिनेशन ऑफ डिफरेंशिएबिलिटी एट x इक्वल टू a. ये डेफिनेशन लिख लीजिए. Wait. f dash a equal to limit h tending to a f of a plus ph minus f of a plus qh divided by ph minus qh. This is must, then only you can write f dash a, otherwise not.
Sir, but P and Q are not different functions.
The p and q are maybe different functions, they are approaching towards zero. They both are approaching towards zero, it makes no difference actually. So whenever this expression is given to you, अभी ध्यान दे दो, algorithm पे ध्यान दे दो, that is more important than understanding right now. Whenever this kind of expression given to you, this a is at the first place, and on the second place we are having two functions which are approaching towards zero for the given limit, and the denominator में जो भी function है, that is approaching towards zero, but the difference must lie in the denominator, right? We'll always write it f dash a. With one example we'll understand it, and with one more example you will try to fulfill the gap कि हाँ यार ये questions कैसे पूछता है exams में. देखो, मानो question पूछता है वो limit बोलता है solve limit h tending to zero f of 3 plus h square minus 4h minus f of 3 plus 2h minus h cube divided by h given f dash 3 is equal to 2. जे एडवांस में ये टाइप से एक बार प्रॉब्लम पूछा हुआ है, इनफैक्ट 2-3 बार पूछा हुआ प्रॉब्लम, ये रिसेंट ईयर में 2-3 साल में ये मतलब तुम मान के चलो कि यहाँ ये फंक्शन चेंज करेगा हर बार और एक नया प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट करेगा तुम लोग के लिए. f'(3) दिया हुआ है, अभी ध्यान दो, h टेंडिंग टू 0 के लिए ph is approaching towards 0, qh is approaching towards 0, but the difference of these two is not there in the denominator. To create it, what will you do? Multiply and divide. जब इसको डिवाइड करोगे यहाँ पे, उसको डिवाइड करो, what do you get finally? f of 3 plus h square minus 4h minus f of 3 plus 2h minus h cube divided by h square minus 4h minus 2h minus h cube and multiply h square minus 2h 4h minus this divided by h. What about this? This is f dash 3. I will write it f dash 3 and I will solve this. What do we get here? Can you please tell me? This is 2h minus h cube. I will write it here. 2h minus h cube. देखो इससे h कॉमन लो, थ्रू आउट ये दोनों फैक्टर से h कॉमन लो, कॉमन लेके कैंसिल करो. व्हाट विल बी लेफ्ट? लिमिट h टेंडिंग टू 0. व्हाट विल बी लेफ्ट? h minus 4 minus 2 और plus h square. Limit h tending to 0, when you will put this is 0, this is 0, what is left? Minus 6. Minus 6 f dash 3. f dash 3 कितना दिया हुआ है? 2. The result is coming out to be 12. उतना लंबा करने का जरूरत नहीं था, सीधा सीधा यहीं पे सोचना था कि इसका डिफरेंस डिवाइड करने के बाद जो मल्टीप्लिकेशन में आता है, मतलब इन दोनों का डिफरेंस आता है, उससे h कॉमन लेना है, कैंसिल करके और लिमिट डायरेक्टली लिखनी है. This is what you need to do in every problem, right? So identify this function here. 3 दोनों तरफ होना चाहिए और ये दोनों approaching towards 0. Difference there is in the denominator. Nerul branch, you wanted to ask something.
The right side में जो आपने फॉर्मूला उसमें p of h tends to 0 लिखा है. So p of h tends to f of a होना.
P of h tends to
f of a.
Why? If this is not approaching towards 0, how will you take the neighboring point of h? Neighboring point of a. You want a neighborhood of a on the graph.
सर नहीं, अगर आप ग्राफ में देखो तो p of h can be something finite also.
No.
What difference between
If pH is finite, you are not looking at infinitely close points. To get a tangent, you need infinitely close points of a. So pH should tends to 0.
pH क्या है?
Sir, I had a doubt. Sir,
Which branch?
sir, for my brother.
एक मिनट, नेरुल का पार्ट पूरा करने दो ना. हाँ, नेरुल
pH है क्या? So what is pH?
pH and QH are any two functions which are approaching towards zero. See, I am modifying the definition of differentiability. Nothing much I am doing. I am saying f of a plus h minus f of a. तो मैं f of a plus h में जो h है उसको एक function of h ले रहा हूँ which is approaching towards zero. Minus f of a plus zero जो है, a plus zero जो है, again मैं वो जो zero जो है उसको approaching towards zero बना रहा हूँ. So I am writing a modified definition of differentiability. Powai branch. बोलो.
सर राइट में लिखा गया है कि लिमिट एक्सटेंडिंग टू ए और मतलब अगर के प्रॉब्लम में हम देखें तो वहाँ पे 3 और वहाँ पे एक्सटेंडिंग टू 0 हुआ है. तो सर मतलब मेरे को प्रोसीजर नहीं समझा.
मुझे सिर्फ इतना कहना है तुम लोग को कि अरे यार ये एक्सटेंडिंग तो ए की जगह ये ए तुम सेम मान रहे हो मुझे लग रहा है. ये के ले लो. ये वाला ए तुम सेम मान रहे हो. ये दोनों सेम नहीं है एक्चुअली. ये एक्सटेंडिंग तो मतलब किसी भी लिमिट के लिए ये तीनों अगर करेक्ट हैं तो इसको f डैश ए बनना है. दैट्स इट. पवाई ब्रांच, हैव यू अंडरस्टूड दिस?
यस सर.
या वो मैंने गलत लिखा है एक्चुअली. ये दोनों ए सेम हो ही नहीं सकते ना. हां,
P of h भी tends to 0, P of h भी tends to 0, तो P tends to Q ऐसा लिखना जरूरी है.
एक्चुअली इसका डिफरेंस डिनोमिनेटर में अगर नहीं होएगा तो डेफिनेशन कंप्लीट नहीं होगी ना. यू वांट व्हाट डू यू वांट? यू वांट h इन डिनोमिनेटर. तो pH minus QH डिनोमिनेटर में होना चाहिए ना.
तो दोनों फंक्शन टेंड टू 0 हो गया तो थर्ड में लिखेंगे
सर
तो उसका डिफरेंट एग्जैक्ट डिफरेंस ही डिनोमिनेटर में होना चाहिए ना. हाँ बोलो.
सर मेरे को h टेंड्स टू q वाला पार्ट नहीं समझा.
विच ब्रांच?
सर थाने ब्रांच.
कौन सा वाला पार्ट आप बता रहे हैं? h टेंड्स टू ये वाला.
हाँ वही सर.
यार मैं
Yes,
सिर्फ मैं आपको कंक्लूजन स्टेटमेंट बोल रहा हूँ कि मैंने वो जो डेफिनेशन लिखा था मैं इसको अभी डिफरेंशिएट करके 1 मिनट में समझाऊंगा तो बोलोगे हाँ सर अब तो ठीक है. वो उसमें मैं इंटरेस्टेड नहीं होगी. मैं मॉडिफाइड डेफिनेशन ए दे रहा हूँ तुम्हें कि f of a plus h minus f of a plus 0. अब जो f of a plus h में h था उसको मैं p of h लिख दूं और a plus 0 जो था वो अप्रोचिंग टुवर्ड्स 0 था एक्चुअली. a plus 0 जो था उसको मैं q of h लिख दूं तो डेफिनेटली मुझे डिनोमिनेटर में जो h आ रहा था उसकी जगह pH minus QH चाहिएगा. This is what I have done. And for any limit if
Yes,
it
sir, got it,
happens,
sir.
then we'll add f dash a. Finish. I'll erase this, right?
Sir, so k is sir k is a number. If
Yes.
h tends to k, then p
Yeah,
of
h
h
tending to-
minus q of h tends to 0.
Here k is equal to 0.
Yes, sir, got it, sir. Thank you.
Let's write down the second question. I will expect you people to adopt it properly in this question.
सर दादर ब्रांच.
C2
APJC 2 बोलो.
सर
सर आपने जो बोला कि H की जगह आपने PH लिखा और वो 0 टेंडिंग टू 0 था उसकी जगह QH लिखा वो समझ में आया. लेकिन सर ग्राफ से जो अप्रोच आपने दिया वो नहीं समझ में आया. एक बार ग्राफ से एक्सप्लेन कर सकते हैं?
तुम उसको x एक्सिस पर p of h और q of h मत लो, उससे कंफ्यूजन बढ़ेगा. तुम उसको x एक्सिस पर लेने की जगह में जो h तुम लोग लेते थे ना a plus h और a minus h 4 एग्जांपल किए थे. सिग्नम x वाला किया था, x क्यूब वाला किया था और x raised to power 1/3 वाला किया था. तो तुम जो h वहाँ लिया करते थे ना उसकी जगह ph और माइनस h की जगह q of h वो वाला पार्ट तुम ले लो तो समझ में आएगा. राइट? वैसे इट्स बेटर कि तुम ये पार्ट थोड़ा याद रखो. बहुत जगह यूटिलाइज हो रहा है. Quite. The next question, just remain quiet for a minute. Limit h tending to 0. F of 3 plus sine 2h minus f of 3 plus 2 tan h divided by 2h sin h into tan h given f dash 3 is equal to 2. Please don't announce the answer. Can I erase the left hand side too?
सर एक डाउट है
हाँ बोलो।
आगे सर आपने यहाँ पे जो एग्जांपल दिया उसमें एक ही जगह पे 3 रखा तो फिर एक्सटेंड्स टू 3 होना चाहिए थे तभी हम अप्लाई कर सकते हैं
नहीं नहीं, मैंने चेंज कर दिया, देखो एक्सटेंडिंग टू के लिखा है मैंने यहाँ पे।
अच्छा वो सॉरी
नहीं डाउट पूछना, आप लोग सब लोग सॉल्व करो। हाँ क्वेश्चन जो दिया हुआ है, जिसको डाउट हो पूछने दो, एक बार क्लैरिफाई करते हैं क्या दिक्कत है। हाँ बोलो।
आपने बोला कि P of h tends to h ना, वहाँ पे आपने लिखा f of a plus b
P of h tends to 0, P of h tends to 0, P of h tends to h बिल्कुल नहीं लिखा, बोला भी नहीं।
फिर आपने उसको
So the other branch got the answer.
Wait,
सर पूरे का dip
पूरे got the answer, दादर got the answer। मेरे स्टूडेंट जल्दी। P of h,
फिर f of a plus h
any branch, please don't reply, don't tell me you have done it. I want to discuss something with Nerul branch. P of h is approaching towards h नहीं है, P of h is approaching towards 0 है, and the limit is h tending to k, not a different है। ये दोनों approaching towards 0 होंगे और ये difference denominator में आएगा, तो this is f dash।
फिर आपने f of a plus h को f of a plus b h लिखा है ना?
नहीं, मैंने बोला a के adjacent मैंने P of h और Q of h दो functions लिए हैं which are approaching towards 0 on the graph। तो दो सीक्वेंस जो है ना approaching towards 0 जब बनेगी तो एक टेंजेंट बन जाएगी ना, a के राइट और a के लेफ्ट में ले लो ना दोनों functions। Yes, the other branch, what is your answer?
So -4.
-4 is the answer. Any other answer you are getting, you can tell me, you can share it with me.
-2/3.
-2/3, very good.
Sir, Borivali -2.
Borivali -2.
-2
Nerul also getting -2. And the correct answer is
-2
Thane also getting -2. Pune is also getting -2. Powai भी -2. That means the two different answers are wrong. I'm not taking a democratic decision. The correct answer is actually -2. Please verify the mistake. Correct answer is -2. Do it fast. How many students in APJC 1 has done it? There are 6, 7 here, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do it fast. It's become a question of limits only. After knowing the fact that you have to create difference in denominator, this will be f-3 into a question of limit, which is easy after solving the booklet.
So the other branch. So if P of h and Q of h both are tending to 0, so then why the difference has to necessarily tend to 0. So why is the condition P of h tends to Q of h given?
Actually, I have given that condition because of one reason only, that P of h minus Q of h should lie in the denominator. That's it.
Okay, sir.
Otherwise, it was not needed at all. I will write it f-3 into difference is there in the numerator, that will be sin 2h minus 2 tan h divided by 2h cube. How many students have got it? Finally, just tell me -2. Raise your hand those who have got -2. अभी तो अच्छा खासा टाइम मिल गया ना, सॉल्व कर लिया होगा. Is there anyone want me to solve it? This limit? Any branch? हाथ नीचे. Okay. See, it's not necessary that h is always tending towards 0. I want you people to write the question, and I want to see which branch is giving me the answer fastest. I mean 30 seconds के अंदर होने के लायक problem है. Let us see. The limit h is approaching towards 1. F of 2 plus h minus f of 4 plus h square minus 2h whole divided by h minus 1 given f dash 3 is equal to 2. ये 30 seconds का टाइम दिया, किसी का रिस्पॉन्स आया? वेरी गुड. APJC 1 आंसर इज रॉन्ग. माइनस 2 किसका आया? माइनस 4 किसका आया?
सर दादर ब्रांच -2.
दादर ब्रांच -2. वेरी गुड. इट्स अगेन अ रॉन्ग आंसर. बोरीवली ब्रांच. What is
सर दादर ब्रांच +4.
Dadar branch +4 is the wrong answer. There are many who got 4 actually. Borivali got.
Borivali 2.
Borivali answered 2 and 2 is the correct answer. Good. 2 is the correct answer. Switch off your mic. Switch off your mic. Thane branch, switch off your mic. Answer is 2.
Nasik.
Akola got 2. Akola got 2. Nasik, what is your answer?
2.
नासिक को भी 2 आया. What about चेंबूर? 2. Okay, अभी 2 ही आएगा obviously. 4 कैसे आया मुझे समझ में नहीं आया. दादर को 4 नहीं 3-4 ब्रांचेस को 4 आया था ना, और 4 भी इतना स्पीड से आया था ना एक बार. अच्छा सबसे पहले 6 तो इतना रॉन्ग आंसर कभी किसी को आया नहीं. APJC 1, how did you get 6? What mistake? मैंने वो भाग के आके माइक ऑन करके 6 आंसर बोला उसने. ओके, आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड यहाँ पे क्यों मिस्टेक हुआ होगा. f of 3 plus h minus 1, right? Minus f of 3 plus h minus 1 whole square divided by h minus 1, right? Limit h tending to 1. You can write h equal to h tending to 1, h equal to t plus 1. और यहाँ से भी डायरेक्ट भी कर सकते हैं, इन दोनों का डिफरेंस डिनोमिनेटर में आना चाहिए. So you will get f of 3 plus t, h minus 1 को t डाल दो ना, minus f of 3 plus t square divided by t, and t is tending towards 0. Multiplying and dividing by what? T minus t square. This is f dash 3. Carry out t common and cancel. Right? You are getting t minus t square by t. You are getting 1 here. And f dash 3 into f dash 3. F dash 3 into limit t tends to 0. ये तो f dash 3 यार, इसकी जगह तो लिखना था, मैं भी क्या कर रहा हूँ. So this is coming out to be f dash 3 into 1, which is coming out to be 2. 6 कैसे आ सकता है? क्या किया होगा कि 6 आया होगा? I want to know that actually. APJC 1, किस मिस्टेक की वजह से 6 आया होगा बताओ ना प्लीज. अरे I want to give it in an objective problem actually. तो 4 कॉमन रॉन्ग है, -2 कॉमन रॉन्ग है.
So मैंने f dash 3 नहीं देखा, मैं I assumed it as f dash 1 and I solved it.
Very good. And the other branch 4 किस मिस्टेक की वजह से आया होगा?
So some students took it as h tend to 0, so they got 4.
Good. Question wrong read करोगे और फिर आंसर गलत आएगा तो हो गया भाई. All right. Just write down. We are moving ahead from this one. Write down finding function from given functional equation. Finding function from given functional equation using definition of differentiability. definition of differentiability. You don't have to do anything in coming next 10 to 15 minutes. Just try and understand what I am doing over here. You have been given f of x plus y is equal to fx into f of y. F of 1 is equal to f dash 1 is equal to e. This is given to you. And he is asking prove that. See, I will change this prove that into find the function after some time. Because if I write find the function, you will immediately tell me the function is e to the power x. E to the power x satisfying this one and this one, hence the answer is e to the power x. I do not want that actually. Prove that fx is equal to e to the power x. I mean, you have to prove the uniqueness also, that e to the power x is the only function satisfying this. Using the definition, how will you do it? Look, for solving this type of problems, always write the definition first. F dash x is equal to f of x plus h minus f of x divided by h. Limit is h is approaching towards 0. I will expect the student sitting over here will give me a response whenever I ask, right? Be careful. H tending to 0, f of x plus h minus fx divided by h. After writing this definition, try to utilize this definition in the given problem, given functional equation. Here, nothing new you are going to do, because f of x plus y given or f of x plus h is needed. And here f of x can be written as f of x plus 0. So f of x plus h, I will write f of x into f of 0 minus, into f of h minus f of x into f of 0 divided by h, and the limit is h is approaching towards 0. Can you identify what I am going to do in the next step over here in this room? Fx common, okay. The left part inside the bracket is f of h minus f of 0 divided by h. This is f dash x. Can you please tell me, see, when I am asking something, I am asking some student sitting in front of me. You should realize that I am asking to all the students, they should identify what step is to be written. In coming 2 to 3 examples, we are going to do the same. Rest of the examples you are going to solve, right? So, now can you tell me, what exactly is this? F dash h. For h tending to 0, what is it? This is f dash 0. So we are getting a step f dash x is equal to fx into f dash 0. Now I do not know what is f dash 0 from the given functional equation. Can you tell me how to find f dash 0 here from the given equation?
X equal to 1.
Put x equal to 1. See, you have been given f of 1 is equal to f dash 1 is equal to e. So put x equal to 1 at all the places, you will get f dash 1 is equal to f of 1 into f dash 0. F of 1 f dash 1 over, what is f dash 0 here?
1.
F dash 0 is equal to 1. I am substituting f dash 0 is equal to 1 here. I will get f dash x is equal to fx. Before writing the next step over here, I would like to repeat something. In all the problems where f dash of something is given to you and he is asking some function, not asking you to prove, he is asking for some function, always write the definition first. Try to utilize the given functional equation in the definition. That is your smartness. Here the definition, involving this definition in functional equation is very easy because they match directly. After this, you will always get such equations where some derivative will be there, which is not the big point in any question. Finding that derivative is very easy. Either it is given or you have to find in most of the cases, right? After this stage, what to do? Over here, integrate directly. I mean, in this step, in most of the questions, you have to be smart. You should know what to do to eliminate this f dash x. you are integrating it, but not directly. What to do? Just dividing by f of x first. F dash x divided by fx is coming out to be 1. Now integrating both sides. What do you get? ln of f of x is equal to what? X plus c. Don't forget constant of integration. Okay. Now my question is how to find this constant of integration from given conditions. X equal to 0, x equal to 0 यहाँ पे नहीं डालेंगे. ऐसा x equal to 0 पे नहीं, f of 0 पता नहीं. x equal to 1, f of 1 पता है ना? Put x equal to 1. What do you get? ln e is equal to 1 plus c. This is over. What is it implying? C is equal to 0. So ln fx is equal to x. So fx is equal to what? E raised to power x. Is there anyone who have not understood this? Please note down this fast. We'll do the second question.
Sir, haven't we assumed that the function is differentiable at all points?
It is given in the question. I have not given you the full detail, but it is given in the function. मतलब question में दिया हुआ है for a differentiable function, and definitely if he is asking fx is equal to e to the power x, that means he is assuming that the function is differentiable. नेहरू ब्रांच पूछो.
सर आपने जो x को x plus 0 लिखा उसके मतलब बिना उसकी कर सकते हैं.
हाँ नहीं, f of 0 नहीं लिखूंगा तो यहाँ क्या आएगा? 1 आ जाएगा. Now 1 is f of 0, you can find from this place. Is it okay? वैसे लिख देना चाहिए. I think you have written the question. So is it fine if I write the question so that the students who have written they can try? Solve तो मुझे ही करना है पूरा question, लेकिन एक बार try तो करने को मिल सकता है. Okay. Switch on your mic. Can you please tell me? Can I erase this? Okay. The other student, please explain. How did you solve?
Sir? So sorry sir, but we also have to solve it, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
I'll give you 2 more minutes. ये मुझे ही बताना था actually, but दादा में किसी student ने solve किया तो I took a chance कि पूछ लेते हैं. Try कर लो एक बार. You will get round about 12 problems depending on the same profile. Variety of problems. So don't worry, तुम लोगों को बहुत chance मिलेगा problem solve करने के लिए और बहुत फंसोगे भी, ये भी पक्का है. इसमें इसलिए ज़्यादा time मत लो. Okay, now see, branches में भी कुछ students लोग ने किया होगा. As I have told you, you will get number of opportunities to solve such problems, right? हम लोग यहाँ पे इस question को एक बार solve करते हैं. थोड़ा वेरीफाई कर दो. मुझे यहाँ f of x into y डेफिनेशन यूटिलाइज करना है, तो मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ, उसको लिख रहा हूँ f of x into 1 plus h by x, right? Minus f of x into 1, got it? Divided by h. Now I'll apply the definition. What do I get? Limit h tending to 0. F of x plus f of 1 plus h by x minus f of x minus f of 1 divided by h. This is over. What is left? F of 1 plus h by x minus limit h tending to 0, huh? Minus f of 1 divided by h. F of a plus ph minus f of a plus qh is 0 divided by ph minus qh. You don't have ph in the denominator. What to do? X से divide, multiply, minus 0. right? F of A plus PH minus F of A plus QH divided by PH minus QH. What is it? F dash 1. F dash 1 divided by X. So you are getting F dash X is equal to F dash 1 divided by X, and F dash 1 is given to you 1, so you get F dash X is equal to 1 by X. The question is easier than the last one, provided first step click. If it doesn't click, then there is a problem, right? Now what to do? Directly integrate करें, कुछ manipulate करने का ज़रूरत ही नहीं है. So what is the integral of I will write in fact 1 by x dx. What is the integral of f dash x? That is fx is equal to ln x plus c, right? To find the value of c, what will you do? Nothing given. So it's देखो ये स्टेप में तुम्हें स्ट्रगल करना पड़ सकता है, but not that much. बहुत easy सा स्टेप होएगा. Put x equal to 1, y equal to 1. You cannot put x and y 0. For positive x, y, the function defined. x1, y1, what do you get? F of 1 is equal to f of 1 plus f of 1, implying f of 1 is 0. No issues. Anyone having doubt here? Now can you find c? Yes. Put x equal to 1. What do you get? इसको अलग से लिख देंगे. Put x equal to 1. What do you get? c is equal to 0. fx is equal to ln x. Okay, I'll repeat it once again. Applying the definition, no, functional equation को definition में incorporate करना, उसके लिए मेहनत करने की जरूरत है. नंबर 1 इस टाइप के प्रॉब्लम्स में. सेकंड, इधर में आके मैनिपुलेट करके इंटीग्रेट करना. फॉर्चुनेटली यहाँ पे डायरेक्टली हो रहा है, राइट? एंड थर्ड, ये सी का वैल्यू निकालना. ये सारे क्वेश्चंस में कॉमन रहेगा. नेक्स्ट वाले क्वेश्चन में वापस मैं थोड़ा टाइम तुम लोग को दूंगा. कॉपी करो इसको पहले. क्वेश्चन इरेज करके क्वेश्चन लिख दूं ना. See, for rest of the problems I will give you the full time, but for this problem I will not give you more time. I would like to discuss the student in Nasik branch who's done it. Can you please tell me what you did?
Sir, first I wrote f dash x.
Okay, APGC 1 is also done. Okay, wait. हाँ बोलो.
And sir, by replacing.
अभी किसी को भी आंसर आता है ना, प्लीज अनाउंस नहीं करो. हम लोग डिस्कस करके ये प्रॉब्लम्स लिख रहे हैं, अभी हमने सॉल्यूशन लिख रहे हैं, ठीक है? नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लम से फिर सारे सॉल्व करने की कोशिश करो. या प्लीज टेल मी.
Sir, f dash x is equal to f of x plus h minus fx upon h.
Now what?
And sir, replacing y by minus x in given equation.
Excellent.
It is proved that it is odd function.
Replacing y by minus x, it is implying that function is odd. Look, f of x plus f of minus x is equal to f of 0, and you can easily find that f of 0 is coming out to be 0. Here also you can put x equal to 0, you will get f of 0 is equal to 0. So you are getting f of minus x is equal to minus f of x. Function is an odd function. See, actually utilizing this property over here, you are having f of x plus f of y, not f of x minus f of y. So she wants to put a positive sign here, and she is able to do it from this place. You can write this step as f of x plus h plus f of minus x divided by h. Limit h is approaching towards 0. This is what the key step for this particular question. The other student जिसने solve किया है, can you tell me, are you doing the same or different?
Different.
Okay, wait for a minute. I'll take your solution. Right? After this, I'm applying fx plus fy. Fx plus fy is equal to, ये definition utilize कर रहा हूँ मैं. ये जो नासिक student का solution है वही मैं दे रहा हूँ. Are you doing the same, Nasik student?
Yes, sir.
Okay. इसके बाद ये आएगा f of numerator I'll get x plus h minus x means h left divided by 1 minus x plus h into minus x means this is x whole divided by h and the limit is h approaching towards 0. Now think about this step, what to write in the next. For h tending to 0, this is approaching towards 0, right? This is approaching towards 0, right? Just look at the given condition. X tending to 0 के लिए f के अंदर ये approach towards 0, ये approach towards 0, दोनों same. तो answer is 2. Can you tell me over here in this room what to do? The next step. Multiply dividing by this particular term. That is h तो है 1 plus x plus h into x plus h into x 1 plus, so that this limit becomes 2, right? And when I write h tending to 0 here, this becomes 0 multiplied by x square, 1 plus x square we are getting, right? So you are getting f dash x equal to 2 upon 1 plus x square. The question is easy now. We have done such integrals. ये नहीं किए होते ना तो बस यहाँ आगे होते पता नहीं क्या करना है अभी, और इसी जगह में सिर्फ इंटीग्रेशन सिखाओगे तो ये क्वेश्चन के लिए सिखाओ, फिर अगले क्वेश्चन के लिए फिर इंटीग्रेशन सिखाओ, ऐसा वो चैप्टर ही बर्बाद हो जाता है एक्चुअली. बेटर हाफ एन आवर 45 मिनट्स लगा, हम लोगों ने इंटीग्रल कर लिया. नाउ इंटीग्रेटिंग बोथ साइड्स, व्हाट आर यू गेटिंग? fx is equal to 2 tan inverse x plus c. As you know x equal to 0 पे f of 0 0 है, प्रूव ही किया है. तो c निकालने के लिए put x equal to 0, you will get c is equal to 0. So fx coming out to be 2 tan inverse x. Wait, before writing the solution, I would like to know the second method from the other branch. But I would like to confirm. Have you done the same, Nasik student?
Yes, sir.
Okay, the other student, tell me your method.
So I let x plus h be equal to x plus y upon 1 minus xy for some y.
Excellent, that is right. I will not explain it in the class, but the method is right, right? Good. वो easy हो जाता है, मतलब ये फॉर्मेट नजर आ जाता है राइट हैंड साइड वाला. ठीक है. Anything else?
Dial went out.
हाँ. You can ask your doubt.
Sir.
Sir, please you can repeat the method.
Sir, whenever.
Wait. APJC 1, please wait. हाँ, the other student, please ask your doubt.
So, whenever they give proof that, can we start a proof from behind like say they're given f of x equals 2 tan inverse?
No.
So,
He will definitely not give you the question proof that in examination. He will definitely ask you the function out of the 4, right? So I guess you can utilize the opposite part, but you can understand when there will be some test paper I will give, you will not be able to do so. तो तुम्हें ये solve करना आना ही चाहिए.
yes sir, that is I was just asking.
Yeah, that's right. Anyone having doubt over here?
So how do you get f of 0 equals 0?
You put x equal to 0, y equal to 0 here at all the places. F of 0 is equal to 0. F of 0 plus f of 0 is equal to f of 0.
And what method did he say where we
He is, the other student is saying that x plus h is equal, ये x plus y upon 1 minus xy है ना, इसको k डाल दे, y का वैल्यू k का टर्म्स में निकाल दे, या फिर और मैं बताता हूँ उसने क्या किया है. उसने इसको इधर लिया, इसको इधर ले गया है. f of x minus f of x plus y upon 1 minus xy आ गया ना नेगेटिव वाला, उसको यूटिलाइज किया है. वो ज़्यादा बढ़िया है वैसे, मतलब फंक्शन उससे निकल के आ जाता है. हाँ भाई. Any other method has been used by any student?
सर थाने ब्रांच.
थाने ब्रांच.
एक बार सेकंड मेथड प्लीज बता दो ना सर.
सेकंड मेथड सिर्फ इतना सा करो कि ये जो इक्वेशन दिया हुआ है, इस इक्वेशन में तुम लोग ये जो f of y है ना, इसको राइट हैंड साइड में ले जाओ. So you are going to get f of x plus y 1 upon 1 minus xy minus f of y is equal to fx. Utilize this over here. Understood?
Yes sir. So I tried the same thing but I didn't get.
वापस try करो.
So what's the next step just? So can you just tell that?
No, right now I will not tell you because I am going to give you a better method instead of this what you have to do in all the problems. So this method I am not going to. Yeah, please.
Sir, procedure में doubt था sir. After you proved f of minus x equal to minus f of x, sir उसके बाद वो कैसा है आपको f of h upon 1 plus x plus h times x बना?
ये यहाँ से ये
हाँ सर वो ऐड किया फंक्शन.
हाँ तो ये तो क्या है fx और ये fy. fx plus fy is equal to f of x plus y h बचा divided by 1 minus x y. x की जगह x plus h, y की जगह minus x.
Sir, APGC2.
हाँ APGC2 पूछो.
Sir, what is wrong in my method? I put y equals to h in original equation.
You can't. Y equal to h if you are writing, that means you are considering the values nearby h tending to 0, that's it. You are not generalizing it.
Yes.
Look, sir. सब लोग ध्यान दे दो अभी एक बार. I accept one thing that you are giving me some different method. I will not accept it right now. I am giving you a general method of solving this kind of problems in examination. You just please verify this and then go ahead for the remaining problems. Before this, I would like to know, is there anyone having doubt in this method given by one student in Nasik?
सर डाउट सर दादा.
हाँ बोलो.
हाँ सर राइट हैंड साइड पे जो सेकंड स्टेप है सर उसमें जो फंक्शन के अंदर जो भी है, हाँ सर दैट होल थिंग फंक्शन के अंदर जो है वो जीरो होना चाहिए. दैट इज जीरो बिकॉज h इज टेंडिंग टू जीरो.
That's right.
इज इट राइट?
Yeah.
हाँ सर ओके सर वही पूछ रहा.
ओके देखो इस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करने के लिए ध्यान दे दो इधर. Since you have done this problem, you will find the another method to be a lengthy or difficult method might be, but you should learn that. What I am doing with this particular equation, I am differentiating this with respect to y, keeping x as constant. I mean there are two variables x and y, both are belonging to the domain. How many variables are belonging to the domain? First of all we must know. It is not required. Just casually we are discussing. X is in the domain, y is in the domain, x plus y upon 1 minus xy is in the domain. I am differentiating APGC2. I am differentiating the entire equation with respect to y. Differentiate with respect to y, x constant. In all the problems you have to do the same. Whatever problem you have done or you are going to do, applying this method is correct. Some conditions are there which is not useful for us. वो हमारे किसी भी functional equation में नहीं आने जा रहा है for sure. So exception को हम लोग लेंगे ही नहीं अभी फिलहाल, right? Differentiate with respect to y, keeping x as constant. I'll differentiate it here. What do we get? 0 plus f dash y is equal to, differentiating right hand side is little lengthy, so you have to be careful. Thane branch please इधर ध्यान दे दो. Thane branch second row. हाँ yes. Differentiating with respect to y, 0 f dash y is equal to f dash x plus y divided by 1 minus xy into derivative of x plus y upon 1 minus xy, u upon v. You must be knowing the formula. 1 minus xy into derivative of x plus y into 1. Please switch off your mic. किसी का mic on है? 1 minus xy into 1 minus x plus y as it is. Derivative of 1 minus xy with respect to y. 1 का derivative 0. Minus xy का derivative with respect to y is minus x. Divided by 1 minus xy whole square. Right? Last step तक रुक के समझना है. First branch आदित्य ध्यान दे दो इधर. F dash y is equal to f dash of this into this we are getting. I am right. See, I know f dash 0. f dash 0 2 आ रहा है यहाँ से. देखो ध्यान दो इधर. I am writing y is equal to 0. I'll let you know why I am writing y is equal to 0. I am getting f dash 0 is equal to f dash y is equal to 0 here. Here what do we get? f dash x into y को 0 डाला तो देखो ये तो गायब, ये तो 1 ही बचेगा. यहाँ पे y 0 डाला तो ये माइनस एक्स इससे मल्टीप्लाई होगा 1 प्लस एक्स स्क्वायर बचेगा डिवाइडेड बाई 1. दैट्स इट. नाउ व्हाट इज f dash x? f dash x is equal to f dash 0 divided by 1 plus x square. That's all. Now why this f dash 0 is 2? You are solving this limit. I will take this limit on right hand side. Here limit extending to 0 के लिए fx by x दिया हुआ है 2. Means ये जो left hand side में function कोई भी function है, since we know 2 tan inverse x, don't write 2 tan inverse x here. कोई भी function हो, उसका limit extending to 0 के लिए आंसर 2 आ रहा है, मतलब finite आ रहा है. Extending to 0 के लिए denominator तो approaching towards 0 है. अगर numerator कोई finite quantity हुई, non zero finite quantity हुई, तो non zero finite quantity divided by 0 will be infinite. 2 तो आंसर नहीं आ सकता. इसका आंसर 2 आने के लिए न्यूमरेटर को क्या होना चाहिए? अप्रोचिंग टुवर्ड्स 0 होना चाहिए. मींस न्यूमरेटर अप्रोचिंग टुवर्ड्स 0, डिनोमिनेटर अप्रोचिंग टुवर्ड्स 0 मींस 0 by 0 form. To solve this 0 by 0 form, what do you do? Differentiate numerator and denominator separately. L'Hospital rule. What do we get here? F dash x divided by 1. We are solving the left hand side actually, right? F dash x by x for limit extending to 0. What do we get on left hand side? F dash 0. The limit of this function is actually f dash 0, and this is given to you 2. So f dash 0 is equal to 2. I will write here. What do we get? I guess we have got the answer. 2 upon 1 plus x square. See, don't find any logic over here. Why we are differentiating with respect to x, keeping x as constant. You can do differentiate with respect to x, y constant, differentiate with respect to y, x constant. One out of the two, right? And in all the problems when you are doing this, you are getting some simple steps as compared to the other method you are doing. See, if you solve the remaining two problems, last two problems with this method, it is of 2 lines only. यहाँ तो फिर भी ये डेरिवेटिव लंबा x upon y करने को मिला है, लेकिन लास्ट 2 प्रॉब्लम्स तुम करोगे तो एक लाइन में ही सॉल्व होने जा रहे हो. समझ रहे हो? But you have to be careful. If you have any doubt during this solution, you can ask me. ब्रांच का नाम पहले APJC 1. हाँ बोलो.
डेरिवेटिव जो भी अभी हम लोग इंटीग्रेट करेंगे.
हाँ.
ये स्टेप पे.
अभी इंटीग्रेट करोगे ना, आंसर तो अब इसके बाद ही आएगा ना. fx is equal to 2 tan inverse x plus c. ये तो किया है ना पहले.
नहीं सर, बट जो वो डेरिवेटिव को विद रिस्पेक्ट टू y.
नहीं. f dash x is the function of x. F dash x is function of x. We are differentiating with respect to y. We are getting a new functional equation. This is function of x.
dfx by dy लेंगे.
हाँ, dfx नहीं f dash x जो दिया हुआ है. Now whatever it is, dfx by dy or whatever, if I integrate both sides with respect to x, see what are you getting on right hand side? It is the function of x. When you differentiate this, this is f dash y you are getting. You are writing y is equal to 0 here. तुम x और y में कंफ्यूज क्यों कर रहे हो? मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा है.
इंटीग्रेट करके विद रिस्पेक्ट टू x करेंगे.
लेकिन यहाँ पे ये f dash x फंक्शन ऑफ x ही रहेगा ना. f dash y, ये this is function of y. This is function of x. If you write it x square, this is function of x square. So you can integrate it with respect to x square only. Yes, APJC 2, do you have any doubt? Wait, one by one, I'll take your doubts. Thane branch, what is your doubt?
Sir, is this a general method for these type of questions?
Yes. You can solve example 1 and 2 on behalf of this. I will give you the third one also, fourth one also. अभी आगे वाले questions तो तुम्हें ही करने हैं. And it is all up to you whether you apply the definition or you apply this particular part. I'll solve 1 or 2 more problems. Yes, anyone else having doubt?
So the other branch.
Bolo.
So how did you understand that by differentiating with respect to one of the variables we are going to lead to this answer?
All the functional equation where derivative at some particular point is given to you, you can differentiate it partially, either with respect to x or with respect to y. It's applicable.
Okay, sir.
ID first year belonging to such problems where you will sleep in the class. हाँ, APGC 1 बोलो.
तो सिर्फ y इक्वल टू 0 पे कैसे हम लोग
एक्चुअली मुझे यहाँ पे x टेंडिंग टू 0 पे ये पार्ट दिया हुआ ना, इसलिए मैंने y इक्वल टू 0 डाला है.
तो आपने से क्वेश्चन में x वाज गिवन फॉर ऑल द अदर
हाँ.
तो विल दिस बी वैलिड फॉर ऑल द अदर?
हाँ, हो रहा है ना. y इक्वल टू 0 पे तो मेरे को एक इक्वेशन नया बन के निकल के आ गया जिसको मैं सिंप्लीफाई कर सकता हूँ. सो आई एम राइटिंग y इक्वल टू 0. एनी अदर ब्रांच? कैन आई राइट द नेक्स्ट
Other branch.
हाँ.
So sorry, sir. I know that we know that after differentiating we obtain this result, sir. But what's the logic behind? What's the reason behind this?
यार एक्चुअली पता है, 3 वेरिएबल जब कभी आएंगे ना, ये तो 2 वेरिएबल की कहानी हो गई. 3 वेरिएबल कभी आएंगे और तुम्हें ऑप्टिमम सॉल्यूशन निकालना रहेगा ना, तो व्हाट यू डू, यू डिफरेंशिएट विद रिस्पेक्ट टू x, डिफरेंशिएट विद रिस्पेक्ट टू y, solving the 2 equations to get x and y.
So I'm not asking the methods. I'm asking what's the proof?
That's what I'm saying. I mean, sometimes you know, while solving the problems, L hospital is logical, and in the syllabus of IIT-JEE, right? The reason we have a proof and we give the proof. ये partial derivatives का जो proof है ना, it's beyond our syllabus actually. But this is logical, huh? This is nothing like short trick and something like that. This logic we cannot discuss it in class actually. But this is correct. It's a concept actually. Say yes, sir.
Yes.
सर हम लोग ऐसा भी कर सकते हैं क्या डिफरेंशिएटिंग विद रिस्पेक्ट टू x कीपिंग y constant?
Yes, yes. You can differentiate it with respect to x, keeping y constant. One out of the 2 you have to do. Anyone else? I will advise you to solve the first 2 problems using the second method we have done in class, but at home, not here. Right? You are solving question number 4 in the class, and now I expect that you people are using a proper method and giving me the final answer ASAP. Write down the next question, question number 4. You have been given f of x plus y is equal to fx plus fy plus 2xy minus 1 for all xy belongs to R. If f dash 0 is equal to 1, find fx. Please don't announce the answer, just let me know if you have done it.
So Pune got the answer.
Okay, nice.
Sir, Nasir got the answer.
Okay, that's nice. This extra problem I have written. Wait. Listen. Stop writing. I have written extra problem here. F of xy by 2 is equal to fx into fy by 2. Wait. fx into fy by 2 f1 is equal to f dash 1. ये प्रॉब्लम अभी नहीं, ये होमवर्क में जाएगा by the end, right? f of 1 is equal to f dash 1 is equal to 1. Find fx. If anyone can get 3 different methods for this problem, I repeat the problem I have written here, so you can discuss it in the middle of the lecture only, right? But I need 3 different methods. जब भी इधर एक क्वेश्चन दिया जाता है और आपसे जल्दी सॉल्व होता है, आप ये ट्राई कर सकते हो, but with 3 different methods, okay? Right. So now one by one.
So ABCD done.
ABCD one done. Who else is done?
Hane done.
Hane done.
No, batch 2 done.
Batch 2 done. Hane done. 1 done. Dada, have you done the first one? This question have you done? Chambur done. What about Nerul branch? Nerul silent क्यों? Powai also got the answer. Powai में कितने students लोग का है answer? Okay. What about Borivali students? How many of you have done it? Only 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Who else is done? Nerul, how many students have got it? Okay. सबसे पहले किसने आंसर दिया था? ABCD 1 से आया था ना? नहीं ना? ABCD 1, second room. What is your answer? Okay. Pune students, what is your answer?
X square plus x plus 1.
X square plus x plus 1.
X square.
How many students have got x square plus x plus 1 as the answer? Okay, यार मतलब नहीं किया, मजा आ गया. Verify कर लो एक बार. Differentiating with respect to y, keeping x as constant. F dash x plus y is equal to 0 plus f dash y plus 2x. Put y is equal to 0. अरे ये तो बहुत easy problem है. Put y is equal to 0. F dash x is equal to f dash 0 is 1 plus 2x. Integrate. Fx is equal to x plus x square plus c. Now, how will you find c? Can you tell me?
0.
X and y both 0. X equal to 0, y equal to 0. F of 0 कितना आ रहा है? 1. X 0, y 0, y 0, 0, 0, 0. 2 times f of 0, 1 आएगा. तो x equal to 0 लिखोगे तो c का वैल्यू कितना आएगा? 1. So fx is coming out to be what? X square plus x plus 1. That's nice. Is there anyone having doubt over here? क्वेश्चन देख के डरना नहीं है नेक्स्ट वाला, राइट? देखते हैं किसको सबसे पहले आता है. आंसर भी अनाउंस कर देना है. जैसे ही क्वेश्चन सॉल्व होएगा आंसर अनाउंस कर देना है, ठीक है? आई एम राइटिंग क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. You have been given f of x plus y is equal to fx plus f of y plus e raised to power x plus y into x plus y minus x e raised to power x minus y e raised to power y plus 2xy. For all xy belongs to R. You have been given f dash 0 is equal to 1. Find fx. आपको मेथड एक्सप्लेन करना पड़ेगा जो भी इसका आंसर अनाउंस कर रहा है.
x into a
branch.
एक मिनट चेंबूर वालों ने आंसर कुछ अनाउंस करना है. They've done. आंसर बोलो.
X into e raised to x.
No, that is not correct answer. Sorry.
So can other branch give the answer?
Yes, you can.
So it's x e raised to x plus x square plus 2x.
That is again wrong answer. Sorry.
X e raised to x plus x.
Sir, the other branch.
No,
So if
wait.
you answer
Manish,
x
Manish,
to the
wait.
power-
Manish, wait.
So x square plus x
Manish,
raised to
wait.
x.
X square plus
X e raised to x.
x e raised to power x. Andheri APGC 1 is answering this question. Yes, what is your answer?
So x square plus x e raised to power x plus x.
That is again the wrong answer. The correct answer is given by APGC 1 student. That is x square e to the power x. No, x square plus x e to the power x.
APGC 2 also got the same answer, x square plus x into e to the power x.
Very good. It's a correct answer.
Sir,
Morally also got the same answer. चेंबूर आप लोगों ने क्या गड़बड़ की है? चेंबूर और दादर वालों ने क्या मिस्टेक किया होगा यार?
X square plus x.
So the other में that one didn't get cancelled. So when you integrated, you get 2x.
Okay. Narrow branch, what is your answer?
X square plus x into e raised to x.
Right, who's got it? Please raise your hand, the one who's got it. Okay, many. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay.
Sir.
Yes.
So is the
Powai branch is answering the question. Please wait, Pune students, switch off your mic.
Sir, Powai question का answer index है.
इसका आंसर?
हाँ sir.
नहीं, no. Pune students, yes. What is your answer?
So x square plus x e to the power x plus e to the power x.
X square plus x e to the power x plus e to the power x is not the correct answer.
So e to the power x नहीं है वो. So x square plus x e to the power x.
That is the correct answer.
So the other branch doubt है.
हाँ बोलो.
So I'm stuck on the previous sum. In that I did solve using differentiation. I was solving using the definition method. That f of x plus y equal to f of x plus f of y plus.
We get the answer. We get the answer.
So in that, हाँ नहीं वो आएगा but उसमें मैं I'm stuck at one point. I got f dash x equals f of h plus 2xh minus 1 by h, where limit h is tending to 0.
Can make you understand your right neighborhood. Okay, nice. Aditya, have you got it?
हाँ ये सर समझा.
थाने से कोई रिस्पांस नहीं अभी तक. कितने स्टूडेंट को आंसर आया इसका? Okay. See, the problem is dirty. Seems to be dirty. I'm sorry. Problem seems to be dirty, but the solution is very easy. I mean, when you write the first step and put some value of y or x, whatever you decide, right? You get some suitable equation which you need to integrate, and you have done such integration by parts. Those who have got it in all the branches, please raise your hand so that when I solve, I will ask again. In all the branches, few students, not few, many students have done it. Please verify the solution. Differentiating with respect to y. I'll get. Before I start the solution, before I start solving this, I would like to tell you one thing. If you are interested in the definition method, you are allowed to do this. You will be able to solve it. I mean, all the problems which we are doing, you can solve using the definition part also. So whenever you are free, you feel I have done it by differentiation, I should solve it using the definition. You can. The problem can be solved, right? Basically सारी प्रॉब्लम उसी से सॉल्व किया हुआ है. ये तो अल्टरनेटिव मेथड हम लोग यूज कर रहे हैं.
fx equals x.
हाँ? fx equal to x is the correct answer. I want 3 methods. इसका आंसर fx equal to x आएगा. Methods important है. 3 मेथड निकल के देना है. So I'm differentiating it with respect to y. F of x plus y plus 0, not plus 0, equal to 0 plus f dash y plus e to the power x plus y as it is. Differentiation of x plus y is 1 plus x plus y as it is. Differentiation of e to the power x plus y is e to the power x plus y into 1 minus 0 minus
Sir, f dash x plus LHS
माफ कर देते minus y e to the power y minus e to the power y, and what else is left? This part is left, plus 2x. Now put y is equal to 0. If you will put x equal to 0, you will get LHS is equal to RHS. Most of the time it will happen. Instead of y equal to 0, if you put x equal to 0, you will get LHS is equal to RHS. So you have to switch. What are you getting here? F dash x y0 f dash 1 तो दिया हुआ है, f dash 0 कितना दिया 1 दिया हुआ है. Here I am writing 1 plus e to the power y equal to 0 means e to the power x left plus y0 डाला यहाँ पे, y0 डाला यहाँ पे, तो ये बच गया x e to the power x, फिर y0 पे ये 0, फिर ये minus 1 e to the power 0, and this is 2x. This is over. You are getting f dash x is equal to e to the power x plus x e to the power x plus 2x. Integrate. I guess integration is your cup of tea. You can integrate it easily. The final answer for this coming out to be x square plus x e to the power x. Okay. Question number, it was number 4th, 5th.
Sir,
Okay.
what is that f dash 1 is equal to 1 or f dash 0 is equal to 1? In question. No, this same question.
F dash 0 is 1.
F dash 1 or f dash 0? Okay, thank you, sir.
ठीक है, good. So अब फंसोगे तुम.
So can you solve with the definition answer?
Obviously not. Why will I do this? This is your cup of tea. I mean, solve it at home. I can send you a click, a snapshot. I will send you the definition wala part. Why will I solve here, wasting time? Yes, but I can give you a problem where you people will stuck this time. Let us. Yeah, the question is e to the. For the solution of this question, I am giving you 5 minutes minimum. Okay. E raised to power minus xy f of xy is equal to e to the power minus x f of x plus e to the power minus y f of y for all xy belongs to R positive. I will erase this. And it is given that f dash 1 is equal to e. Find fx. ये पिछले वाले क्वेश्चन से कम गंदा है दिखने में, लेकिन टाइम लेगा. APJC 2 अगर आपको कहीं हैंडराइटिंग भी इश्यू हो तो पूछ लेना पहले, पता लगा सॉल्व करने के बाद दिक्कत है. ओके यार वो 0 तो नहीं, वो 1 तो नहीं दिख रहा था ना, कुछ भी बोल रहे हो. मतलब पूरे मैच को 1 दिख रहा था, सरप्राइज हो गया मुझे। You have to explain me the method. Take it as a challenge. How fast you can do it. एक स्टेप में जाके सारा पूरा ब्रांचेस एक ही स्टेप में जाके फंसेगा, वो मैं लिखूंगा बोर्ड पे। I will prove that people are stuck at this point.
Sir, ln x into e raised to x.
चिपका दिया आंसर। Can you tell me the method?
Sir,
wait.
EPGC2 also got the same answer.
EPGC2 also have got the same answer. I would like to discuss it with Thane branch. Thane branch wait करो 2 मिनट please. तुम मेथड ढूंढ लेना, मेथड अगर नहीं बताया तो अच्छा नहीं होगा।
सर एक्स्ट्रा क्वेश्चन का आंसर x है।
हाँ, fx is equal to x. 3 methods if you know you can discuss it with me. खुश मत हो जा, हाँ खुश मत हो जा। fx equal to x आ रहा है ना? हाँ नहीं, वो बहुत खुश हो रहा है। fx equal to x आ रहा है, गलत नहीं है, वो तो आ ही जाएगा, वो तो सारी विंडोज को आएगा। मुझे 3 डिफरेंट मेथड्स दे दे अभी। वो जो सेंटर अटेंडेंट है उससे 500 कैश प्राइस इमीडिएटली। जस्ट गिव 3 मेथड्स। I is happy. He's doing like this.
सर 2 मेथड चलेंगे?
वैसे तो एक भी नहीं चलेगा यार। तो 2 मेथड क्यों चलेंगे? The question is meant for 3 methods. Give me 3 different methods. हाँ वो।
ठीक है सर, सोचते हैं।
Okay, okay. तू पार्टी की दुकान ही लगाने वाला है।
सर
यस
सर, वो जो एक्स्ट्रा प्रॉब्लम दिया था आपने उसके लिए f of x is equal to x आ रहा है।
हाँ वो करेक्ट आ रहा है, मेरे को मेथड का जरूरत है और एक नहीं 3 मेथड का जरूरत है।
सर 2 मेथड तो आए।
हाँ वो तुम तीसरा मेथड निकालो आराम से, घर जाते जाते निकाल दोगे तो चलेगा। ये वाला करो ना, ये क्वेश्चन लिखा हुआ है इधर।
ओके ओके।
सारी ब्रांचेस ए क्वेश्चन पे कहीं ना कहीं फंसी हुई हैं। आधा एक्सेल बैच को 0 = 0 याद आता है इसमें, पता नहीं लेकिन आगे से रहता है, कोई भी एक्सप्लेन करने में तैयार नहीं है। Lost hopes I can solve. हाँ आंसर दिया है ना, e⁴x ln x। अभी मैं थाने ब्रांच में पूछूंगा ना कैसे आया है। e⁴x ln x is the answer. हाँ इसका आंसर e⁴x ln x है। वो थाने स्टूडेंट्स ने करेक्ट दिया आंसर, मुझे मेथड पूछना होगा उनसे कैसे किया है।
So the other branch done. So can we say the answer?
Yeah.
So is the answer e⁴x ln x?
Yeah, answer is e⁴x ln x. I will ask you the method, Manish. Wait for 5 minutes.
So Pune branch is done.
Okay, do one thing. Those who have done it, they should solve it using definition also, instead of differentiation.
Yes, sir.
Thane students, please switch on your mic and let me know how did you solve this question.
Sir, I don't know if that's right, but that the question you have written seems of the form g of xy equal to g of x plus g of y.
Cheating.
And we know g of x is
cheating. Switch off your mic. Okay. Manish.
नॉर्मल मेथड से भी आया है ऐसी बात.
अच्छा, okay. Manish, can you tell me the method?
Yes sir.
हाँ, बोलो.
So principal use करके क्या e is power x xy को
डिफरेंशिएशन से करके बताओ ना. फर्स्ट प्रिंसिपल
okay,
से.
I directly tell you the f dash x क्या आया चलेगा. f dash x is equal to f of x.
No.
Plus e raised to power x by x.
मिडिल स्टेप उड़ा गया तू. कोई और? उसने कर लिया, मुझे पता है. कोई और?
So I didn't understand middle step उड़ाया
मतलब डायरेक्टली f dash x कैसे लिख रहा है भाई?
सर मैंने फर्स्ट प्रिंसिपल यूज करके f dash
हाँ,
x
वो तो फर्स्ट प्रिंसिपल यूज करके जो आ रहा ना, वो मेरे को नहीं चाहिए अभी. वो स्टेप किसी ने एक्चुअली किया नहीं तो कोई वेरीफाई नहीं कर पाएगा कि हाँ क्या हो रहा है. इसलिए मैं नहीं लेना चाह रहा हूँ. हाँ देखो ये बोल रहा है. चलो बोलो.
Sir, the other branch verified using the first principle.
समझ जाओ तुम. हद होती है, 4 बार एक ही चीज को रिपीट कर रहे हो. अरे तुम लोगों ने फर्स्ट प्रिंसिपल से किया है, ज्यादातर लोगों ने डिफरेंशिएट किया है, तो वो कॉमन स्टेप मुझे डिफरेंशिएशन से कैसे आएगा वो सबको वेरीफाई कर देना है. फर्स्ट प्रिंसिपल से नहीं वेरीफाई करना है.
सर पुणे ब्रांच ने भी दोनों मेथड से किया है.
हाँ तो चलो ठीक है, तुम डिफरेंशिएशन वाला बताओ.
e to the power x से मल्टीप्लाई कर देगा.
चलो ठीक है, सब गुड. अब मैं बता रहा हूँ, उसको सुन लो. डिफरेंशिएटिंग बोथ साइड्स विद रिस्पेक्ट टू y. हर एक ने ये ट्राई किया ही होगा. किसी ने ज्यादा से ज्यादा अच्छा ट्राई किया होगा तो पुणे वालों ने जो बोला वो क्या होगा, e to the power xy से पूरा इक्वेशन मल्टीप्लाई किया और फिर डिफरेंशिएट किया होगा. मैं बगैर मल्टीप्लाई किए डिफरेंशिएट कर देता हूँ एक बार. डिफरेंशिएटिंग विद रिस्पेक्ट टू y कीपिंग x as constant, right? My left hand side is e to the power minus xy as it is. Derivative of f dash xy, derivative of fxy is f dash xy, and differentiation of xy with respect to y is x. Is it? Can I write it x here plus f of xy as it is? Derivative of e to the power minus xy is minus of e to the power minus xy into x. xy का derivative. This is my left hand side derivative. Right hand side is equal to 0 for e to the power minus x fx, and differentiating this plus e to the power minus y f dash x, no f dash y, or minus e to the power y into f of y. This is what I am getting on differentiating with respect to y. Now I am substituting, since I know f dash 1 is equal to e, so I will put y is equal to 1. y is equal to 1 रखेंगे, यहाँ कितना आएगा, x e raised to power minus x into f dash x, right, minus, what do I get here, y is equal to 1 पे, x e raised to power, no, x f of x into e raised to power minus x. What right hand side is, y is equal to 1, 0, f dash 1 is 0, ये तो 0 ही आएगा, minus y equal to 1 by e.
Sir, f dash 1 e.
f dash 1 e दिया हुआ है, sorry, f dash 1 e दिया हुआ है तो ये 1 हो जाएगा. Yes, sorry. So I'll write it again. So right hand side is ये हो गया left hand side equal to 1, ये वाला 1 माइनस ये हो जाएगा 1 by e into f of 1, right? Put x equal to y equal to 1, we get f of 1 is 0. So this is over. This part is left. What is common? X e to the power minus x common. So I will not, in fact I will take common first. Into f dash x minus fx is equal to 1. This is what you are getting. मुझे लगता है ये स्टेप किसी को भी आना चाहिए डायरेक्टली डिफरेंशिएट करने से. इधर एपीजीसी 1 में कितने लोगों को ये स्टेप आया? In all the branches, can you please verify how many students have got this step on differentiation? Okay. See, before I go for the next problem or next step of this problem, round about 25 problems are there in your booklet, which are belonging to this profile. If you are good at solving by differentiation or using definition, then you will enjoy solving the problem. Otherwise you will solve one problem and leave all other problems. पहला नहीं आएगा तो कॉन्फिडेंस उधर ही लूज करोगे. इसलिए हर जगह में रुक के कहीं दिक्कत आ रही है तो पूछो. अब मुझे ये बताओ, पता है पूरा कैलकुलस में e to the power x एक ऐसा फैक्टर है, e to the power kx बोलना चाहिए. जनरली वी कॉल e to the power kx as इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर, क्योंकि ये जब मल्टीप्लाई होता है ना कुछ फंक्शंस के साथ में तो एक परफेक्ट डिफरेंशियल बनाता है. देखो यहाँ भी ऐसा ही हो रहा है. ध्यान दे दो एक बार, ये मैंने कॉमन लिया है, गलती किया है, मैं इसको वापस अंदर डालूंगा इधर में और इस x को इधर लेके जाऊंगा. व्हाट डू वी गेट? e to the power minus x f dash x minus e to the power minus x fx equal to 1 by x. Can you tell me what is d by dx of here? It's an exact differential of some function. यहाँ fx आ रहा है, यहाँ f dash आ रहा है, इसका मतलब fx तो आएगा ही आएगा. e to the power minus x. Very good. e to the power जहाँ भी इन्वॉल्व होएगा और उसके साथ fx और f dash x है, तो कोशिश करो वहाँ रुक के सोचने के लिए कि किसका एग्जैक्ट डिफरेंशियल बन रहा है. देखो ना, इसको डिफरेंशिएट करोगे तो क्या आएगा? e to the power minus x as it is fx का डिफरेंशियल f dash x, fx as it is e to the power minus x का डिफरेंशिएशन minus e to the power x is equal to 1 by x. And now I guess the problem is done. What do you get finally? e to the power minus x fx is equal to ln x plus c. You can find x equal to 1 by c equal to 0. So fx is coming out to be what? e to the power x ln x. Question can be solved using definition also. Most of the other students have solved it using definition, and that is also an easy method. The other students, are you reaching at the same stage? ये आपको यही step आता है finally?
So we get dy by dx is equal to y plus e raised to x by x.
हाँ तो y fx ही हो गया ना?
हाँ सर यही आता है.
ठीक है.
हाँ.
सर परफेक्ट डिफरेंशियल नहीं होता तो नहीं कर पाते.
एक मिनट. सारे लोग माइक स्विच ऑफ रखो. एपीजीसी 2 से कोई स्टूडेंट पूछ रहा है कोई क्वेश्चन.
सर परफेक्ट डिफरेंशियल नहीं होता तो नहीं कर पाते ना.
हाँ नहीं होता. मैंने बोला ना तुम लोग को, अगर हम लोग इंटीग्रेशन नहीं पढ़ते तो आई गेस इसके आधे क्वेश्चन करते ही नहीं, हम लोग छोड़ ही देते थे. 1 by x सिंपल इंटीग्रल कर देते थे, बट थोड़ा भी टेढ़ा मेढ़ा आता था तो छोड़ते थे. तो डेफिनेटली इस तरह के प्रॉब्लम्स जो आते हैं उनमें इंटीग्रेशन थोड़ा ठीक से आना चाहिए, राइट? ओके. सी आई कैन टेक.
सर
हाँ बोलो. पुणे स्टूडेंट बोलो.
सर डाउट है कि थाने
स्टूडेंट पूछ.
सर e raised to minus xy से स्टार्टिंग में डिवाइड किया तो आंसर थोड़ा अलग आता है, वो बीच वाला स्टेप f dash x का.
हाँ क्या करना है इसमें?
हाँ वो वाला स्टेप थोड़ा अलग नहीं, ये स्टेप अलग आता है अगर हम लोग ने स्टार्टिंग में e raised to minus xy से डिवाइड किया इक्वेशन को.
अरे तो यार इतना तो कंफर्म सोच लो कि e raised to power minus xy से मल्टीप्लाई करके अगर डिफरेंट आंसर आ रहा है तो कैलकुलेशन एरर किधर है? 100% कैलकुलेशन एरर ही है. कॉन्फिडेंट रहो ना, पूछना है तो कॉन्फिडेंट रहना चाहिए, कोई क्वेश्चन पूछना है। एक मिनट थाने से क्वेश्चन आया था
इसीलिए
प्लीज
इन लोगों का इसलिए
हाँ, तो एक काम करो, वापस वेरीफाई कर लो, क्योंकि इसमें कोई मिस्टेक हो ही नहीं सकता। इसको e टू द पावर xy से इधर मल्टीप्लाई करोगे, इट्स बिकॉज ऑफ वन रीजन। मैं आपको वेरीफाई कर देता हूँ। किसी तो एक ब्रांच ने मुझे पहला स्टेप बताई, ये था कि e टू द पावर xy से सर मल्टीप्लाई कर दीजिए। द वन हु डिड इट, कैन यू प्लीज टेल मी यू गेट द सेम आंसर? किस ब्रांच ने बोला था? सेम ही रहता है, APGC 1 सेम आएगा, कैलकुलेशन
हम लोग ट्राई करते हैं।
ठीक है। प्लीज स्विच ऑफ ऑल द माइक्स। I'll take one last problem on the same. I mean on the same profile, and rest of the problems you will solve in your booklet. हो जाएंगे यार, मार्क क्या करना, आप तो डिफरेंशिएबिलिटी पूरा ही हो गया ना। This question, 2 times fx is equal to f of xy plus f of x by y for xy belongs to R positive, f of 1 is equal to 0, f dash 1 is equal to 1. Prove that fx is equal to ln x. Honestly कर रहे हैं। Differentiate with respect to y and put y equal to 1 by x. पवे ब्रांच साइलेंट कैसे हो? और ये नासिक और चेंबूर तो गायब ही हो गए, जवाब ही नहीं आ रहा है। तो बोला करो ना।
Boringly done.
Okay. I will give you a hint once again. Differentiate with respect to y and replace y by 1 by x to get f dash 1. Pawai also got it. इस बार पुणे वालों ने शायद ट्राई नहीं किया है। बोला था क्या?